ITC customized a comprehensive solution for the multifunctional lecture hall that integrates intelligent audiovisual management, 3D shocking immersive audiovisual, and multi-mode scene application. This solution is designed to provide a full range of functions required for performances, concerts, medium and large conferences, academic reports, and other scenarios, bringing users a more excellent audiovisual experience and efficient conference. Immersive venue creation. The sound reinforcement construction of the multifunctional lecture hall uses EASE 4.4 acoustic simulation software to simulate the on-site electroacoustic sound, meeting the first-level standard for the Acoustic Characteristics Index of multipurpose sound system under fully considering the needs of stage feedback and audience area listening. The speaker adopt beam control technology combined with advanced immersive audio technology to enrich and refine the sound reproduction with high texture, abundant energy, and natural vocal amplification. Compatible with lighting MA console control, it can realize automatic tracking of sound and lighting systems, create a three-dimensional audiovisual environment, and expanding the traditional best viewing area to 90%. The concealed sound system and lighting design creates a more harmonious and aesthetic overall environment, providing the audience with a vivid and immersive audiovisual experience. The customized LED display combination includes banner display, subtitle display, main screen background subtitles, interpretation video display, and auxiliary screen output display, meeting the viewing needs of personnel from various angles and directions within the multifunctional lecture hall, and delivering 4K ultra-high definition picture output for a more realistic viewing experience. Integrated with colorful stage lighting design, various audiovisual and lighting mode presets enable instant switching between stage performances and conferences. Intelligent management and control. To realize the intelligent management of various equipment in the multifunctional lecture hall, ITC integrates the newly launched audiovisual and lighting control platform to realize the integrated management and control of the audiovisual and lighting equipment in the lecture hall, building a perfect coordination solution for the stage lighting system, professional sound system, and display system. It can intelligently adjust the stage lighting effect, rhythm, and video display speed based on the music rhythm, as well as coordinates with the status of peripheral devices, enhancing the audio-visual effects of stage performances and creating a more immersive and spectacular experience for the audience. The visual operation interface provides real-time preview feedback, customizable scenario calls, and user-friendly operation, making it easier for users to quickly adjust the status and effects of various equipment under different functional needs. It also enables one-touch entry into activity modes, ensuring a simple and efficient operation. Audio-visual integration construction. The multifunctional lecture hall is equipped with ITC digital conference system, remote video conference system, and recording system. This integration provides a more comprehensive range of conference functions, offering solutions for daily academic meetings, seminars, and event recordings. ITC digital conference system with intelligent mixing technology, AMM, automatic gain control, AGC, and noise reduction technology, ANS, ensures that multi-person speech can be held without feedback and distortion, providing clear and natural sound. Combined with camera positioning and tracking technology, it enables automatic camera tracking of speakers, high-definition recording throughout the entire event, and real-time live streaming. This setup allows the multifunctional lecture hall to cater to the varied audiovisual needs of musical performances and conferences. The construction of the multifunctional lecture hall integrates ITC immersive sound system, LED video wall, stage lighting system, remote video conference system, recording and broadcasting system, digital conference system, audio-visual and lighting control platform, and other equipment to create a multifunctional lecture hall that integrates technological intelligence, convenient operation, responsiveness, professionalism, and efficiency.